Hello and welcome everybody. In this video we'll show you 12 tricks that will make everyone to like you. If you feel yourself that most of the people don't really like you, then this video is for you. Keep watching the whole video and don't skip any important part. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive all our news. 1. Make eye contact. Making eye contact with someone while you are talking to them will help you to form a better connection to that person. On the other hand, if you avoid eye contact, then you will seem nervous and as if you have something to hide. After all, they do say that the windows to the soul are the eyes. Try to make eye contact occasionally and you will seem more personable and relatable. When making eye contact, try to appear natural and relaxed. You do not want the eye contact to be intimidating. Instead, it should have the effect of making the other person feel at ease and connecting to you. If you maintain eye contact the right way, then this person will feel like they are important, as they matter to you, and that kind of feeling can easily make this person like you. 2. Be cool. Your confidence is important. You may be simple as house cat, but what's so wrong with viewing yourself as beautifully striped tiger? It's crazy how the way you view yourself is how people will react to you. Well, most of them. Some people literally start off their days trying to be more awesome than they already are. Don't settle for that and don't dwell on what those people say. You don't even have to acknowledge their existence. You are better than that. Create such an aura to yourself that when you step out of your house, you don't remember to care about negativity. 3. Ask questions. Asking other people questions about their lives, their interests, their passions is a surefire way to get brownie points in their relationship books. People are egocentric, they love to talk about themselves. If you are asking questions and getting people to talk about themselves, they will leave the conversation thinking you are the coolest. Even if the conversation didn't really give the other person a reason to like you, he or she will think better of you subconsciously just for indulging this or her ego. 4. Show an interest. The most obvious way to make someone like you is by showing that you have an interest in them. If you do not pay any attention to this person at all, then why should they pay any attention to you? When you show some interest in someone, then you will open the door for a possible friendship or a romantic relationship, and you should make it clear what kind of relationship you want. If you want to grow a relationship with someone, then you have to plant the seed of interest first. From there, a meaningful relationship can begin to grow. There are many ways to show your interest in another person. To start off with, you can say hi to that person when you see them and goodbye when you leave. This is just the bare minimum and you can do with everyone that you are around. After you have established some sort of groundwork, ask that person how they are doing and how their weekends was. This shows that you have an interest in getting to know that person and what they do in their life. To even further, show your interest in this person. Get to know what their likes and dislikes are. What are their interests? What did they bring to work for lunch? Find ways to ask them about the little things about their life, and this will make them to like you. 5. Compliment yourself. Complimenting yourself before you leave the bathroom in the morning, you have to convince yourself before you can try it somewhere else. This worked out well for me during high school, college, or even now. You might not have it all together, but people on the outside don't need to know that. Stop moping around and let them feel as if you are stronger than your situation. Soon after, you will start believing it too. When you believe in this, you became it. Also, when you compliment yourself, it's so powerful that people will have a difficult time trying to put you down. If you compliment yourself as part of your daily routine, people can put you down, but it won't sink in as well as your morning message does. Push through the hurt and stick to it. I'm not saying you won't doubt yourself with all that's going on, but push through it. You have to promulgate an effort. 6. Be positive. While we all have our bad days, positivity is an attractive quality to have. When you give off positive energy, you attract positive energy as well. But if you are negative, then people will feel negative around you because of the energy you are giving off. Part of being positive includes not complaining about every little thing. This includes having to wait a few extra minutes to be seated at a restaurant. Do not try to see the faults on everyone. If you complain about other people too often, then the person that you want to like you will wonder if you complain about them when they are not there as well. When you have a positive attitude, then people will remember you for being nice and optimistic. They will notice how relaxed they are around you, and they might even find that being around you is fun. 7. Ask for advice. Ask someone for advice is somewhat surprisingly a great strategy for getting people to like you. Asking for advice shows that you value the other's individual opinion and demonstrates respect. Everyone likes to feel needed and important. When you make someone feel better about himself or herself, that person will most certainly end up liking you for it. 8. Compliment them. We all like to feel as we are special. That is why compliments can work so well. If you give a compliment to someone that you are interested in, they will know that you like them, and maybe they will begin to like you as well. When it comes to compliments, try to be genuine and avoid compliments that are over the top and are just not true. Doing so might make the other person think you are sweet but not at all genuine. You are better off sticking closer to the truth when it comes to paying compliments. That way, you will not struggle to do it and it will be coming from the heart. Think about how you feel when someone compliments things about you, such as your outfit or a skill you have. Being complimented probably makes you feel special, and it is something that you might remember for the rest of the day. If not for much longer than that, if you give someone a compliment, it might end up being something that they remember quite fondly, and you will feel great for making that person feel good about themselves. 9. Smile at them. Smiling at a person can do many things for them. It can make them feel at ease and relaxed. It will demonstrate that you are in good spirits, which in turn can put that person in a good mood as well. Think about how you might feel when someone smiles at you. You might feel comfortable around this person and as if they are in good spirits. A smile is the perfect accessory that you can wear. The feeling that a smile gives can be infectious, and it is certainly much more appealing than a scroll or a frown. The ideal smile is not too long and too forced, just a flash quick friendly smile to make this person feel even more drawn to you. When you smile at someone, it will be hard for them to resist liking you. 10. Be a little mysterious. When you are still getting to know someone new, it is great to share information about yourself with them. After all, it is how they will get to know you. At the same time, you do not have to reveal every little detail about yourself just yet. For one thing, doing so could easily become overwhelming for the other person. Be careful that you do not inundate this person with too much information about yourself, especially information that is deeply personal. We can only comfortably process so much new information at once. Also, if you leave some air of mystery to you, then you could leave the other person wanting to know more about you, to have a plenty more conversation down the line, since you are not spilling every little bit of information about yourself. 11. Be honest. As we all know, honesty is the best policy. It is a strong foundation of any relationship between two people. Without honesty, how can you trust someone? You might be tempted to impress this person, and that is perfectly normal. But instead of lying or embellishing the truth, why not impressing them with the stuff about you that is actually true? If you lie, especially if it is often, then you might get caught in a lie, and then this person might not know how to trust you again. At the same time, you do not have to mistake honesty for being completely transparent. You do not need to tell this person every single detail about you, especially if you are not ready. 12. Expect the best. Expect that people will like you for you. If it doesn't happen immediately, keep expecting. You should wake up in the mornings, go throughout the day, and go to bed expecting. It can be overbearing at times, and you will face disappointments, but that's life. We shall move past that. Everything needs balance. Without bad, we wouldn't know what is good. So keeping on, and expect more for yourself.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive all our news.
If you learned something new today, then give the video a like and tell us in comments which step you like it more. And here's some others great videos I think you will enjoy. Just click on the left or on the right.